Hey guys. Well, I'm currently in my laundry room. Um, it's been like 5 ever since I've made a video. What is that? The reason why I've been gone for so long was because my phone broke, and I normally record my videos with my phone. And it took me a while to prove to my mom that I was capable of having a new phone. And yeah, so that's why I'm gone. Anyways, I probably will start posting more. It's just I've been really busy with school, and my hair is kind of bluish gray. You can't really see, but it looks kind of black. But oh, well, yeah. Let's try and find a better lighting. That's horrible. That's kind of better. Ish. But yeah. I just wanted to say hello again, and I'm back in the YouTube committee. I'm gonna be trying to become a YouTuber. So yeah. Anyways, I will start posting more. It all depends on when I can, but I will try to be posting more on Mondays, every other Monday or every Monday. And I will, what was that? I will update everybody, but you can follow me on Instagram. And my Instagram is Fagatron3301 and not Fagatron3300. 3300. So yeah. Anyways, I'm so glad I'm back, and I'm so sorry for not posting. I know I suck, but let's try and get back to where we started. So yeah, I'll just be posting more, and I'll have more updates. So thanks, I love you. Bye, Kit Kats.